Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So in this video, I am going to give a makeover to one of my bedroom, and it's our guest bedroom actually. So we wanted it super modern, very stylish. So we chose colors like black, white and yellow for this room. It turned out so beautiful, we just loved it. And I'm going to explain all the things related to this makeover in the video, and all the product links are in the description box below. And also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. And now without further ado, let's get into the video.
So this is our guest bedroom which we are going to decorate. This bedroom has the exit door towards the main gallery also, so that we can convert it in office or some clinic also. Then we have this balcony here. It's a very small balcony. So currently we are using it as a washing area. Then we have two doors, one for the washroom, another for the main dining area. Then on this corner we are going to hang our lamp, and we are using this 3 light lamp because only one lamp we are going to hang. That's why we are using a 3 light lamp, so that it looks complete and stylish. And because the color theme of the room is black, white and yellow, that's why we have selected this black colored lamp. It's a very simple lamp, but still it looks very stylish. And we don't have false ceiling here, so that's why we are using this white wire for the connection, and the color of the wire will disappear with the color of the wall. And here we have our board, so from where we are going to give the connection to the light. On this wall we are pasting this wallpaper. This is in the theme of black and white, and it's a very modern print. It looks very stylish. Then on this wall that is between the balcony and the gate towards the washroom, there is some dampness, so we are using PVC sheets to cover this area. And because I wanted some black colored PVC panels, so the closest to that was available these dark brownish wooden printed PVC panels. If you have any dampness in any area, these PVC panels are perfect to cover those areas. You can also use tiles in the damp area. Then on this corner of this wall, we are going to hang 3 wall shelves. And of all the products, I will give links in the description box below. So we just hang these 3 wall shelves there. We already have the area for a light or a bulb. We already had this area, so we are using a white spotlight in this area. Now after that, what we have in this area, in this bedroom, now we have hanged our curtains, that is in the cream and the yellow shade. Then we have this almirah with a mirror, so that if any guests would come, they will feel comfortable, so that they can use this almirah to keep their stuff, and then the mirror also. Just above the head end of the bed, we are going to hang these 3 frames. And the prints are in the theme of black and white shades. I got these frames online. You can draw these also, they are very easy. So I just used some double-sided tapes to stick them. They look very stylish, and this area is looking complete with these frames. Then we are using a recliner chair here because we wanted this bedroom to be comfortable for our parents as well. So we are using this recliner chair in the mustard shade with a stool, which we got from a local shop. Then on the side of this almirah, we kept our bookshelf with some books. Then on the bed, we are using this Emma mattress. This is Emma Ortho mattress, which is perfect for the people with back pain or joint pain. And I'm using this mattress from last 3 months, and we are just loving this mattress. Then above that, we laid down this bed sheet, again in the theme of black and white. And above that, we have the pillows with the color of the black, white and grey. Then I'm going to use some cushions as well. So these are like macrame cushions, then some cushions with black tassels. So I want a kind of a modern and a bohemian look for this room. That's why I'm using these cushions. And at the end, we are using this mustard cushion. Then on the foot end of this bed, I am using this comforter, or you can say a dohar also. So this has a 2 sides. One side it is having print of black, yellow and white base, and on another side it is of mustard yellow color. Then I'm styling these wall shelves, and for the wall shelves, best one are books, some plants, some vase. So I always try to arrange the stuff in various options and then see what looks best and then just go with it. Then I just place this plant in this beautiful golden basket here. Then on the side of the bed, I am just putting these white and black tables with metal legs because I don't want to clutter the space, so we are using these small tables. Then on the side of this bookshelf, we just place this plant in a cane basket. So we got this white big frame from Banjara Market, and in this we put our family photographs, and in the middle we just put some photographs with some quotes related to the family. And on its sides we just hang these two wall decor pieces which we got from Amazon.
So guys, that was it. I hope you like this makeover because I loved how it turned out, and even I'm not able to go in that bedroom and use it because I just want to stay it like that only. I'm loving it. So let me know what you like the most in this makeover in the comment section below, and also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.